Right, we're going to service this Vax model number U89MAFB 1600 watt Hoover, because it's not sucking up very well. So, take this off by unclipping that button on the top, and then strip the bottom down, turn it upside down. Shit. I'll take the screws out. One, two, in each of the four corners. Three, four. Right, I'll get the camera. Right, screws come out of each of the four slots, and we've got to spin it round with one hand and lift off the top like that. And there's the brush bar and the belt, which seems alright. It's a bit worn, but it does seem it's fine. Just a little bit of extra play in it, but not ideal. So I'm going to leave that, and then we'll just pull out the brush bar, check the brush bar bearings, which seem alright, just by seeing if there's any play in them, and it's smooth at both ends, so that's alright. Bristles are a bit worn like, but I ain't buying one for that. Yeah, belt's alright. Clean all the crap out of here and around the intake, because that gets caked up with rubbish, and in here, but it goes on the back bit where the cylinder connects to, that gets caked up and can affect suction as well on here. Check the motor filter, which is pretty dirty on here. It needs a new one. You just replace that if you can get hold of another one, which I ain't got, and then somehow put it back on. One-handed, it's difficult. Right, that's on. Now we'll put it all back together again after cleaning. Right, let's get it back together, because I did clean this out early, as well as I'm going to clean. I haven't got the right stuff today to do it. It's not too bad, this one. Brush bar back in, make sure it's facing the right way to slot in, and it'll slot in, and that's your brush bar back. Put this back on. So move that, and put the screws back into each hole. I've only got 3 screws in this one, by the looks of it. One screw's got lost over the time. So which back end one's going to get this? I'll put it in this one. Make sure you've got a magnetic screwdriver as well, or it's a nightmare getting these in the slots at the back. That's it. There you go. Now this one, twist that, undo that filter, clean it, vac it, get all the dirt off it. Pop this open after it's been emptied, and twist, lovely, twist this handle. And that'll pull out this bit, which you can clean. And you can even wash all this in water. Leave it to dry and then put it all back together again. Twist that back round. Close that. Back up all the mess I've just dropped all over here. Nice. Forgot it was full. Oh, lovely. Oh, Jesus. Nice. Oh, shit. Should have checked that really. And turn it on. Oh. And turn on. And that's it for another couple of months.